So we're about to tuck into some meatless eats prepared by Kushites.
Oh, yeah.
One of my favorite meals from Kushites is the black bean burger.
Black bean burger. I had the mushrooms, the stuffed mushrooms. And I had the,
I never had that.
Oh, it tastes good.
Yeah, probably
Yeah. So they came the last time, and since they came, we've both been patronizing the store. And guess what? Them can deliver too. So. You can tell you all about it even before we get there.
So we're ready.
Now we have some good stuff that's here for us today. Good morning, guys. No,
okay.
Them have to tell us about the food first. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome again.
Thank you for having us again.
This looks absolutely delicious.
Right,
so walk us through what we have here first.
I'll start from this.
All right, well, what you're holding in your hand is a very good start because it's actually what makes up this dish, which is our injera peppered steak. Now, this is an injera bread, which is a traditional Ethiopian bread made from teff flour, completely gluten-free, very high in iron and minerals. And what we've done here, we've made the gluten, it's like a pancake. So we've made the injera and we've seasoned it and transformed it into peppered steak here in this dish.
That is that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Stop the foolishness.
Yeah, so most people who complain normally have mock pepper steak in vegetarian or vegan cooking, which is made from gluten. Most people are allergic to gluten, having some gluten intolerance. Exactly.
Gluten make your belly get big.
It does.
Exactly. So what we decided to do is start using injera, which is gluten and wheat free.
Fantastic.
So it's really, really good.
So you cut that up,
then it's come to this.
I cook it and it turns to that.
And it came, yes, exactly.
So can I...
I'm looking forward to it.
can I
Jody, you get a picture ready because this is going to get destroyed.
Can I wrap this in this? Like,
what are you going to eat? That is the same thing.
It's the same thing, but...
Normally in Ethiopia, that's how they serve it. It's almost a national dish of Ethiopia. Oh. But it normally served and they eat it with everything. So it's with stews, with anything at all they eat with.
Okay,
but this is really, really good.
So let's look at the pasta now.
I think
all right. That is our... Well, we try to infuse as much of Jamaican cuisine as possible. And this is our jerk penne pasta.
Niceness.
So we have jerk penne pasta and it's served with black-eyed bean balls.
I never have none of that when I call it last time I did done.
This is black-eyed bean balls. And
it's soy-free. So we don't use soy in our menu.
Fantastic.
So it's actually soy-free. And the balls are actually gluten-free also.
All right. That's great.
And if you don't want it with pasta, you can always get it with quinoa, which Kuch is has here. You can turn it to a salad. Or you can get it with wild rice. We have different options for persons who have different needs.
Right.
This, by the way, this pasta is actually made from chickpeas.
Yeah.
What?
Yes. So this is a wheat-free pasta. It's absolutely
delicious. That's amazing. Now to the thing that I've been wanting to bite since I come to bite it though. You're not listening. That's cocoa.
I want to go to the...
Oh, they're making sauce?
Yeah, we want to show you how to make a quick quinoa salad.
Quinoa salad. So we already have our quinoa prepared.
That's red and white quinoa.
Definitely. It's a mix of red, white, and black quinoa.
You must have Valentine's Day quinoa.
Valentine's Day quinoa.
All right. So first thing, we're going to add some fat in the form of oil.
So that the camera can
okay, sure, definitely. All right.
You say adding fat?
Careful how you say fat.
Yeah. Oh, I know. People already get kind of nervous when I say fat, but your palate likes fat. It's just what kind of fat?
So it's what kind of fat?
This is grapeseed oil.
Oh, that's good fat.
Yeah, so it's
that's
fat
good
in
for
oil.
your hair. That's good for your skin,
exactly.
Your nails.
Oh, girl.
Your lashes.
How much of that we add to it?
So little oil.
That's like a tablespoon?
Yes, basically just a tablespoon. Just kind of combine it as best as possible. Then we have some chopped tomatoes.
Plummy or cherry.
Any tomato will do.
Exactly.
No salad tomato.
No salad tomato. Oh.
Is there a specific reason why?
Salad, I think, has some controversy because it's GMO.
Okay, gotcha.
So we try to stick to the plummy.
That's
fennel?
Or the cherry. That's fennel, yes.
So that was fennel.
I know my stuff today.
Fennel, and we have some basil.
Basil. No
Inside already.
And to add to the sweetness of the tomato, we have dates. So we have some dates that's finely chopped.
Right, so you don't need any refined sugars or anything.
Dates are
really
very
good.
sweet.
Very
so you
sweet.
don't need a thing to add sugar to that.
So yes, that's true one, I think. Yeah.
And a little sea salt.
You can use pink Himalayan salt also.
Which is good for you. So, question. When people use like dried cranberries to put in salad and stuff, those are sweetened, right? When they dry the cranberries, they sweeten them.
They add
as opposed to the dates that are just naturally sweet.
Exactly, just dehydrated or dried.
And the other thing too with some of the cranberries and raisins, they're sulfate. They're sulfate fruits, which is also not very good for you. So if you can get like the dates or even the granulated dates, which they call date sugar. It's a better alternative. Or even agave nectar is really good.
Awesome.
So, what do we do?
That's chocolate, right?
This is local chocolate that we use to make this.
Why are you not refusing to talk about the thing that I want to talk about? I don't understand you. And that's our finished salad.
This is a quinoa. You know, I couldn't pronounce the word.
Yes, I remember.
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
Some people actually say quinoa.
Quinoa.
See,
There you go. Pronunciations vary.
Alright, so we're going to talk about the thing that Sakina's wanted to talk about all day.
Chocolate.
Alright, so that's our double chocolate cupcake. We definitely play upon the word double.
Of course.
Of course. And we made our chocolate sauce and the cake as well from local chocolate pod.
Wow. And no gluten flour.
No, well, it's spelt.
Spelt.
No, the difference with spelt, it has gluten in there, but it's spelt with the chewing process. It actually gets rid of the gluten within the chewing process. It's the original grain, so the additional gluten wasn't added to this one as well.
Okay.
Very nutritious.
All right, so we've gone through everything, and the only thing left to them never say you must put no more chocolate on it. The only thing left to do is to taste it. Don't spoil it, you're not doing. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. You ready? All right, me now wait for you. You take too long.
Right.
Drug pasta, go on. All right.
So, you are located in Gardens.
39 Lady Musgrave Road.
A lot of people
don't know. And they deliver, guys. So if you want to go get it, go get it. This is good cuisine. Keisha McDonald, an executive chef. Kushtafari from Kushites. We're going to eat some good, healthy food today.
That's why you can't mix this on it because
I'm going to taste it.
because of the same thing. It's pretty good.
Works time.
I don't need that one myself.